Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Wagwan, Dancehall skilla there again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, now in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media, and you can also let me know what to think about these videos as well. Now, first things first, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a man, and in the video, the man said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that a female raped him. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to look and listen to this video carefully and tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Anyways, listen and observe.
This girl come on my yard family, isn't it? Me usually girl, so I'm in the mood for have no sex, isn't it? But deep down, me never like the girl. Over the phone, me they like, but I never like my team family. So you know, say anyway, me never think away. So maybe I have some liquor and thing and I beat and thing family, isn't it? So you know, so me drop asleep. I want me wake up and they find me 7 in the pants. So I say my girl walk my way to me. So me check, I rape the girl rape me. So me call the police and me explain to them that I get raped. And the girl, she asked me and I wait and tell her no. So you know, so she start laugh and I say, why you laugh? You understand? She said she can't understand this. So I say, what hard like that? So me sit down and wait. And me wait for the police to come. So I can have my justice.
Now, my people, yes, when it comes on to a situation where a man accuses a woman of raping him, or where it is said that a female raped a man, those kind of situations, or a situation like that, can come with some negative criticism of your subscribers, and also some unfair criticism as well. You see me I say? Because when it comes on to a situation where it is said that a person raped a person, I think that it should and can go both ways. You see me I say? Yeah, I just saw it go. You see, so if a man disagree with a woman doing certain things to him, viewers and subscribers, then I think him have a right to express how he feel, and if he want to take legal action, I him think that. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? And at the same time, likewise for females as well. You see? Yeah, so I don't know, but you see, it comes down to that situation, I have a feeling that this situation, or the things that this man said in that video, is going to get some criticism that might be unfair, and also certain ways that can be considered to be bad. But you can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I am going to put together and present to you 2 pieces of videos that shows some things that happened during and after a few females have been caught on camera stealing from a food store that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, some persons might call the food store a supermarket, some persons might call the food store a wholesale, and I would like you to look at least one of these videos carefully and tell me how many persons you see in the video that was stealing from the food store that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. Police from within the country of Jamaica was alerted about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers, and to my understanding, police arrived at the location and did their duty, or do them job. You understand me? One of these videos that I'm about to present to you is said to be a surveillance video footage, viewers and subscribers, but I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded. The other video that I'm about to present to you is said to be a video that had been recorded after those females had been caught on camera shoplifting. Anyways, one of the reasons why I'm presenting these videos to you is because these videos are being talked about on social media, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what you think about these videos are about the whole situation. And I want you to please bear in mind that in one of these videos you can hear persons yelling and shouting. One of these videos also shows a certain amount of persons, and one of these videos also shows police officers from within the country of Jamaica. So before I present these videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the videos. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe. So this is said to be the surveillance video footage for the subscribers.
Let's go find the features on. I'll go do it. Yeah, watching out. Uncle again. I Bruno. Hi. Must go up to a team already?
Go up this one.
Yeah, don't do man.
Wait.
4 man. Go
So, she never have something on.
Rough now. Push it in a press now. Put it in a yeah, you take out everything in the back.
Alright, so this is said to be the other video recorded after those females have been caught.
How will I do?
Allegedly shoplifting.
When in the teeth, then you die, then face.
Yes, the police was there.
Then you see what they pull up.
This one is journalist.
I'm tired of float a door.
Some people might take a situation like this with you, but I really want sense.
No.
People. John.
Oh, that's like a grandma.
Jano, my people. Sometimes when I see certain situations like this kind of situation shown in those two videos, I can't help but wonder certain things for subscribers, you know? Yeah, like, why would someone put themselves in a problem like this kind of way, you know? Embarrassing in my point of view too. Wrong overall. You know, Jano, I tell my people, Jano, I never try to even think certain things. Yes, I say, because in my point of view, you know, those females look okay, and I like them look like them wear shabby clothes and look all certain ways. You get me, I say to you, you know, but me's the kind of person, you know, like to say anything disrespectful about anyone, no matter what. You see me, I say, I just mean that. But, you know, it just look how weird there's some people, it just look embarrassing. You know, and the whole thing just wrong, you understand? I man, work for what you want and pay for what you want. You see me, I say, I saw me look on life, yeah, man. So, but they must say not much about that the whole situation. But just I make you know about those videos because those videos are being talked about on social media. You, my favorite subscribers, can let me know what you think. You understand? Yeah, me I tell you, me just feel a way about a situation like that. John. Anyways, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, in the next video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, a man said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that thieves try to steal a motor vehicle that he used to do his work, and I also got the understanding that the motor vehicle had been vandalized. You see? Now, viewers and subscribers, the reason why I said thieves is because in the video, the man said him at one point, and then another point him said man them. You see what I say? So I said thieves. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? Now, I don't know exactly where and when the video had been recorded, but I would like you to look and listen to this video and tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. It's really and truly hard for you to say someone I try to make a honest living, and you have persons out there who are trying to sabotage and or rob someone of whatsoever them use to earn their living. It's really rough, viewers and subscribers. You understand? But anyways, more you look and listen to this video and tell me what you think. Observe my people.
I don't preach badness, but right now I have to talk in the morning. I wake up this morning, I get a job, I have a look at junk removal company. I wake up this morning, so alright, I go pick up some garbage, you see me, make a money. You see? Come out of my truck. Man them, before man them go underneath here and steal the catalytic converter. 2 of them, you know. And I come this morning. Say, alright, me I go up and I look over. Look, what the man them doing on my truck. Look on my steering column. Whole of my key switch dig out. Man them a try thief my truck. I if me they catch one of them, the man them me knock him out. Whole of me know say me a go in a problem. You know? Tell me. And he my plan to come back for you tonight, you know? Because guess what, they have a steering lock in here. And he take you away. Because I say, yo, me not feel lock up here. See him. You see me? So he my plan to come back for you tonight. Me go buy one other one, but me bleach him whole night tonight. People who know we here. Who know we see? Me not even know what to do. Because me I call the police now and tell them. Yo.
My best advice to that man is to make sure the police them know about that situation. Let the police them come and do them investigation. You understand? Don't take the law in your own hands. Because you see, law set away. No? If you go take the law in your own hands and you go end up hurt or take the life of a person trying to steal something from you, especially if it's a situation where you know that someone was trying to steal something from you and you wait on that person for the spite and then you go hurt or take that person's life, you can find yourself on the wrong side of the law. So you see, when you find yourself in a situation where someone, or if you have a motor vehicle or your house got broken into or so forth, call the police. Just call the police. Nobody hesitate. Let the police them know about the situation. Make them come to them fingerprint, whatsoever and so forth that them do, and make them do them investigation. And the best advice that me can give. Me know it hard for know say you work for your things and then someone come try to thief it from you. Me know it hard. Me know say that is not right totally. But the best thing for do, I make the police them know about a situation where something has been vandalized for you by a person or persons, or if someone try to thief something from you. Let the police them know what going on. Don't take the law in your own hands. Let the law them know. You understand? Me know say it hurt. Anyways, my people, yes, I left it now. Big up and respect to each and every one. Let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you in this video. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, you see?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.